Sound G. Dear kids, read the letter G. It makes sound G. Goat. Goat starts from the sound G. Say aloud more words that start from the sound G. G is for grapes. G is for girl. G is for guitar. Trace and color. Let's trace the letter G, which sounds J. Rhyme G. G is like a C. Go up, come down, and down, then turn a little. Trace all the letters properly. Wow! Time to color the goat. Trace and write. Do you know, kids? G, which sounds J, is a root letter. Letters having a stem which goes down and touches the bottom line are root letters. Now trace and write the letter G properly. Progress check. Match the beginning sound G with the picture. One is done for you. Goat starts with the sound G. Grapes start with the sound G.